Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to Software, New, Solid, Part Modeling, give any specific name to your model, untick this Use Default Template, click OK. We are going to model a geometry in Solid Absolute, click OK. Now go to the model. In this model, I'm going to draw material addition features first. For that, I'm going to extrude a rectangle along the path of 42 mm length of a rectangle of height 20 and length of 98. Just go to Software, take this front plane, sketch view. First draw the center line. Press the roller to confirm. Now go to rectangle, create a symmetric rectangle. Here it shows symmetric. Now press the roller to confirm again. Now this length is 98. This height is, go to the model, 20. Press enter. To view your model fit screen, you can move your dimension, so I'm just moving here. This dimension also you can move and keep here. Now we have created a rectangle. Just click OK. This is the rectangle we have created. Go to Extrude, change this into symmetric. Go to the model. Our extrusion length is 42. Just change this value into 42. Press enter. Now just click OK. Now we have created this base plate. Then we just want to create this middle one. For that, take this mid plane, go to sketch view. Now we just want to take reference. Take this edges as reference, just close it. Go to the model. The height of this base rectangle is 21. Then we just want to run a semicircle of radius 21 and inner circle diameter is 20. Go to this software, create a rectangle, press the roller to confirm, click this fit screen. Now this height is 21. Press enter. Again click this center. Now we just want to create a circle of radius 21. That means we just want to fit with these edges. Press the roller to confirm. Again we just want to create one more circle inside. Click and press the roller to confirm. The inside circle diameter is 20. Just change this value into 20. Press enter. Now we just want to remove unwanted edges. For that, delete segment, delete this edge, and delete these two edges. Now press the roller to confirm. Now this pink surface shows that our geometry is correct one. Now just click OK, rotate, go to extrude. Now our extrusion length is 14, symmetric from the mid plane. Change this to symmetric, thickness is 14. Press enter. Again click OK to confirm. Now we have created this mid also. Now we have created all material adding features. Now we just want to remove materials. So first I'm going to remove material from here of thickness 6 mm from the mid plane. From the edge 14 mm we just want to keep it. For that, go to model, select this surface as a reference surface, go to sketch view, go to reference, take this 3 edges as reference, then close, go to center line because we just want to draw a rectangle with symmetric. For that, I'm just taking this geometric center line. Click OK, press the roller to confirm. Now just take this rectangle, Now this is a symmetric rectangle. Because it's so symmetric, click and press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to specify the height of 6 mm, and instead of this dimension we just want to specify the dimension from this edge to this line. Go to dimension, this point and line, and press the roller at the mid. Here this dimension is 14. Now automatically it will set. Now just click OK. Now we just want to remove material. Go to extrude, flip this direction. We just want to keep it to next. Material removal. Now we have material removing. Click OK. Now we have done a material removal here. Go to the model. Then finally we just want to make 2 holes of diameter 12 mm. For that, select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view, go to reference, midline also, click OK. Now diameter 12 mm, and from this edge the distance is 21, that means mid, and from the mid plane to this center is 25. Just go to circle with center point, just creating a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now this mid plane to the center distance is 25, and this diameter is 12. Now we have created this one. Automatically this is at the mid only, this distance 21 only. Now just click OK. Go to extrude, change the direction to next. Now it is creating hole throughout the thickness. Click OK. The same hole we just want to make here also. For that we are going to use a tool called mirror. Just choose this extrude 4, go to mirror, select this mid plane as a mirror plane. Now you can see the same hole is mirrored here. Just click OK. This mirror object is mirror 1. Now just go to the model. Now find every feature we have done. The one more feature we just want to do is a round of radius of 5 mm. Just go to software, select this edge and press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge also. Go to round of radius 5. Just go to the model, radius 5. Now just click OK to confirm. Now we have done our complete model. Just go here, shading with edges, hide all the midplane. Now go to standard orientation. Now we have completed. Go to view, go to appearance, select this spot. Now we have applied this appearance. The same thing we can do it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Thank you.